Wait, look at this car, guys. Good morning. I was gonna say afternoon, but I think it's the morning. Hold on, guys. So I heard a rumor a couple days. Oh my god. There we go. I heard a rumor a couple days ago that it is possible to use my type of car as a camper car. We're gonna see if that's a possibility. This is my car, by the way. The infinite frame. That's how voluptuous she is. We out here in the Bucky shorts and the slippers combo. This is what we're working. Oh. This endeavor might be a little bit harder than I thought because we went to the beach a couple days ago and some derp because I left everything. This is the fit we're rocking today. I'm leaving the bonnet on because it's hair washing day and like I'm too lazy to take it off, so let's clear out this mess. Time lapse. There is sand. There is in my freaking trunk, y'all. Lord Jesus. Alrighty, gang, we're back. I need y'all to see this. Hold on. This is what we're working with right now, people. Oh my god. Okay. I think I'm gonna go get a vacuum. Well, I have a vacuum. Hold on. Vacuum cleaner. Oh shit, how am I gonna plug this in? I think I'm gonna have to move my car. Hold on, guys. This is not a drill. My freaking neighbor is outside doing yard work right now. I'm not even kidding. Hold on, let me see. It's like 10 o'clock, almost 11. I don't know why this guy is doing yard work at 10 o'clock in the morning, but nevertheless he is. Well, good news. I got the car facing the right way, so. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna put this in the laundry room. Give me a second. Boom. Vacuum cleaner. All this freaking dirt, bro. Here, go in the corner. Watch the magic happen, y'all. Y'all, this is not a drill. What the fuck? What the fuck? What did I do? Oh, I think because it unplugged, guys. Hold on. Stay here. Alright, again, let's see if I fixed it. Okay, sounds promising. Alright, again, I'm gonna fuck some shit up. I'm just making a hot mess. So the situation. Why can't I just do anything right? What about this? Should probably change to some like water. I think I got it working. It's not leaking anymore. I fixed it. Whatever I did, I fixed it. I'm gonna use a different vacuum cleaner though. We're bringing out the big guns. It's like two things in life you can be excited about. It's babies and weddings. Oh. Alright, let's put this thing away. Does anyone else get like the Conclave like music stuck in their head? Like the Conclave background music? Maybe I can play some in the background if y'all know what I'm talking about. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, I live in kind of like a shitty neighborhood, so I don't want y'all to get stolen. That's pretty freaking clean. Back to the original. So now, let's find a way to put the seat down. Do you guys know how to put the seat down? Here, sit here. Wait. Ow. What? Y'all about to see me and hear me smack my head a whole bunch of times. Wow. Look at that. Hey guys. Voila. So, fun fact about me, I'm 5'3", so I'm kind of do some math here, because I was hearing rumors about people who are like 6 feet tall sleeping in these things. I want you. This doesn't look very big, y'all. This is my hand. I know y'all don't know how big my hand is, but y'all are just gonna have to trust me on that. Okay, let's climb on in and see what this is all about. Hi, welcome in. I think I'm gonna break my seat. I'm like really heavy. I should climb in on the other side. Hello again. Alright, let's climb in. This is a pretty good... It's a pretty good size, guys. Okay. So, the dealio is... I'm like trying not to break my seats right now. Another reminder, I am 5'3" and I can fit across my legs, but I'm like sitting right now, as you can see. I think if I were to sleep diagonally, I think I could fit. And if I put like a shit ton of blankets and stuff, like, I can make it work. I don't know. What do you guys think? I feel like this would be really good for like moving stuff. Today I am not stuff. Alright, let's flip this shit back up. I'll hear about that earthquake that happened in Russia a couple of days ago. What's up with that? But yeah, Mythbusters episode of me. Can I fit sleeping in my car? The answer to the age-old question, can you camp inside of a Scion XB? Yes, but not without flooding your garage. That's all we got today, folks. If you and your Scion XB enjoyed this descent into madness, feel free to keep watching my videos. I can't even ask you to subscribe because this is just sad. Okay, bye. Okay, bonus footage of me moving my car because I forgot to record me moving my car the first time, so. Okay, let's go. Just learned that my Android Auto was the one that was... Just realized that my Android Auto was the one that was fucking up my camera.